So the first thing I want to do is try to, I don't know, validate this in somehow. Type quantity is not int, or quantity is less than 0, for instance. We just want to be that quantity is equal 0. So we don't break, but we don't do anything either. Okay, this is our first check. The second check that we have to do is like, we want to, how can I put it? Create a variable to store how many items we actually are going to charge, you know, because we are not going to charge the full quantity. We only want to charge buy one get one for free, you know. And if it has like 3, we want to charge 2, for example. That's how. So we want to say a new variable that would be charge quantity, and let's get charge per units. It will be quantity 4-star. And now we are going to create our logic to see if this item is inside our bag of items to actually divide it, you know. So if we have, because not always have, it's not non-null, it's not none, name in bag of item. So what we are saying here, if we already have a bag of items, buy one get one for free, we have it. So we have this promotion, and the name of the item is inside this list of items that we have, buy one get one for free. So we're going to say as follow: item with buy one get one of free, I don't know, is equal quantity model 2, but this is not all, because we need to check if we have any spare item. Rest of items equal quantity percentage 2. What I'm doing here, let me go here. Why do you have an error here? I don't know. Let me go here. New item. Test .ipg and b. Let's create a new code. Select our kernel. Crypto. Let's select this one. So we're saying here as follows: 8 equal 5, for example. We have to install the kernel. Now we need to create let me create a virtual environment. Let me create a virtual environment. Sorry for that. A new terminal, new terminal. Python 3.13. select our new created environment. We want to install our new kernel. Just a second, guys. Okay, we have a equal 5, a, we have c is equal 5. So if we do this a model 2, we will see that our answer is 2. He has given us the amount of pairs that we have inside a. We can also say a 3, here we can see how many triples we have inside a, and so on, and the rest. And the other function that we create was a percentage 2. He will give us the rest. So he have 2 pairs and 1 spare item. We can say a percentage 3, and we have 1 triple and 2 spare items. This is what this function means. So what I'm doing here, oh boy, I lost that, what I have done there. That's why. What I'm doing here, inside calculation, sorry guys, I was here in it.py. This is supposed to be empty for now. So what I have saying here is give me the amount of pairs that we have here inside our items, and give me the how many rest items do we have. Why? Because we want to charge only half for the pairs, and the rest the full amount. So charge units will be items with charge with part of that thing plus rest of items, and we are going to return this chart units. Okay, this is our first function. What we do here is like try to see how many items we're going to charge from these items that you bought. So if you bought 6, in this case we are going to buy only 2. For example, we're going to charge you only 2 items. If we came here, let's comment all this so we can test this one. So we can test that one. We have to from Grocery Toolkit calculation import our function that we just created, item charge unit. So we are going to try to test the first function. So in this case, before we test the function, we also have to try to figure out the output of my function to see if it's performing well. So in this case, we have 2 pastas, so we only have to charge you for 1. We have 2 bread, because pasta and bread is in back of item buy 1 get 1 for free. We only charge you for 2 bread, and banana is not in there, so we have to charge you the full 6 bananas. Okay, let's try it, let's run it, and perfect. Testing charges unit, we have amount of pasta, so we charge you 1, bread is 4, so we charge you 2, and banana we charge you for the 6 items. So until here we just create our first function, and this one is already good to go. Okay, sorry for the noise. I don't know, see if you hear some noise, but well, this is what we have. Let's go to the second function. The second function is inside calculation, and we want to calculate the whole the item subtotal. So how much it will cost you this item and this amount of items that you are buying. Okay, I say subtotal because after you have all these items, you have to apply some discount, you have to apply taxes and all that kind of stuff that you already know. So let's create our second function. Second